Have you ever copied something, then copied something else, and suddenly lost the first thing? Well, Windows 11 has a hidden feature that can save everything you copy, and you can access your previous copied item anytime. Let me show you really quick how you can do it. Simply click on Start, Open, Settings. On the left side, select System, then scroll down and search for Clipboard. Simply click on it. You can see Clipboard History. Simply turn it on. Here you can see keyboard shortcut to access Clipboard. Now let's open any website and open Microsoft website just for an example to explain you how does it work. I'm looking to copy this text from here. Then I press Ctrl C to copy it. Next I want to copy this text and I want to paste it in the notepad. So I simply open the notepad in here. Let me click on open. Here what I'm gonna do, I just paste this thing in here and by mistake I have closed the browser. But I do remember I have copied it. I can access the website using history, but who's gonna waste that much time, right? So what I can do, simply I press Windows and V to open Clipboard, and here I can see the text which I copied and that was saved in the clipboard, so that will definitely save my time. So this is the tool which you can use on your PC, and it's going to be really helpful to you while doing some work on your Windows 11 PC. Hopefully you find this video helpful. See you in the next video.